Hey everybody, Tom Sparks, Sparks Media Group. We got a box. Let's see what's in it. Came in today. Pretty excited. I think I know what it is. And here we have it, the Matterport Pro 3. Here's a picture of the camera. Here is the back of the camera. And here's some information. I'll read it to you. The new standard in professional 3D capture: more speed, advanced precision, longer range. Pro 3 takes 3D capture technology to the next level, delivering immersive digital twins of any space, indoor or outdoor, with the simple press of a button. This box says it includes a carrying case, a battery, the charging dock, the tripod mount, and of course the camera. So let's open it. It's sealed on the bottom. A little booklet pouch, lens cloth, always need that. How to protect your Pro 3. Total protection warranty covers manufacturer defects to mechanical malfunctions for both the Pro 3 camera and the tripod mount. Quality customer service, fast repair, easy to get started. And we can activate our warranty by registering the Pro 3 on the Matterport product registration page. And there's a QR code for that. Here we have a user guide, which I'm not going to read every page of this, but looks to be like more information that they're providing with this than they did with the Pro 2. So yeah, let's all see what this is all about. Here's the case. What do we have here? We have the battery, the charger, the tripod mount, a USB-C charging brick, a USB-C to this power adapter cable for the charger, and then we have several different electrical outlet connections. We're in the United States, so we're just going to use the one that it comes with. But if you bought this and you're in another country, you simply open this up, from what I understand. Oh, you don't even open it up. It slides on like that. Like that. I'm not going to take this out right now, but it just slides down. And then you have connections for different electrical outlets. It's definitely heavier than I expected. Small too. I should insert a light effect right here, shining up on me. Got a little strap of some sort. Here's the camera. So, has a magnetic lens cover. Here's the camera lens right here. Has the lidar mirror right here. And then a display on the back. In the bottom goes the battery. And then here's the tripod connector mount. I'm going to read the instructions before I do that. So yeah, it's pretty heavy. I don't have the exact weight. It's probably on their website. Seems really solidly built. Probably aluminum. Yeah, so there you have it. Matterport Pro 3. I'm excited to get this charged up and tested. You'll see it featured more in some videos coming. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.